Today we have a 1986 AC Cobra Mark IV. It was a collaboration between AC Cars and Ford Motor Company. They were made on the original AC Bucks as the original Cobras were in the 60s. This is actually a pretty cool car. It was first imported by none other than Jack Roush of Jack Roush Racing. So pretty cool provenance. So we're going to take it for a ride and show you. Okay, well, our AC Mark IV. We're going to warm it up. It hasn't run for about a week. We just fired it up. Temps are still cold. You all are going to help us warm it up. Today we've done a few road tests and it has been boiling out, so it is nice to finally have a bit of a breeze. These Mark IVs are extremely usable, as you can see. And obviously doesn't have the original dash layout. It had an 80s dash layout, similar to the Mark IVs. Okay, well, we're at operating temperature. Driving it around town, extremely mellow, just to show you that you can. The cool part about these cars are they're not like the big block cars that are extremely hot inside. They sit in traffic. They all have all of the Cobra nuance without the feeling that you went to hot yoga. But obviously, I didn't go to hot yoga. We're going to take it on the curvaceous road in a minute. Do our flybys. And you tell us what you think. We'll save showing you the horsepower for the farm road. Out of fun on the back road also. It has a glorious V8 sound from the exhaust. Let's just turn those lights on since everybody else has them on. Obligatory farm road going through the gears. So you can hear the growl. They're great fun. This gear is really an overdrive. On power, down to third gear again. Else we can say. It's an aluminum Cobra and special, great provenance. We'll bring it back, put her away until someone wants to give her a new home.